Welcome to another class on mathematics. Now see this type of question under equation. You can just ask you, see this question. It said y is equal to this and y is this. What is a plus h plus k? Now if some people want to do this, they will think of expanding the equation given to you. But that may lead to wasting of time. Now follow this method. The method says, and let us follow the process. Now our a here is equal to 3. Just compare this with the coefficient of x here. So a is the coefficient of x squared here. So that's why we have a to be 3. And our h is minus b over 2a. Minus b over 2a. So that will be, on the norms, if you are dealing with quadratic equation, now that means the quadratic equation here will be ax squared plus bx plus c. That shows that our a is 3 here. Then our b is what? Is minus 2. Now our c is what? Is 1. So that's it. So since our a is 3, so our h will be minus b over 2a. Listen to the formula. So we now have it to be minus into bracket. Our b is minus 2. Is minus 2. Then over 2 into bracket. What's our a? That's 3. So minus times minus will be plus. That's 2 over 6. The answer is 1 over 3. Now our h is 1 over 3. Then what is k? K, whenever you have k is f of h. Now we've gotten h already. So this equation is called f of x because it's in terms of x. So what is f of h? F of h will now be anywhere you see x, you substitute it as h. So it will now be 3h squared minus 2h plus 1. That's the meaning of f of h. So we now have the equation to be 3 into bracket. Your h is, what's the value of h you got? That's 1 over 3 all square. Minus 2 into bracket 1 over 3. Then plus 1. So press this on the calculator. We have 3 into bracket 1 over 3 all square minus 2 into bracket 1 over 3 or 1 over 3 then plus 1. We have the answer here to be 2 over 3. Now 2 over 3. So your question is a plus h plus k. So that means our a is 3 plus h, which is 1 over 3, plus k, which is 2 over 3. What is the answer? Let us press on the calculator. We have 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3. Press equals to. The answer is 4. So the answer is 4 here. Now, at the comment section, let me have the answer to this second question. Given y to be this, and is written in form of this. Find a plus h plus k. That shows that if you compare this, a will be 1. And our b is minus 6. Our c is 11. So, you can only get a from here. And your h is minus b over 2a. And your k will be f of h. Which means you change all the x here to h. Then you substitute the value of h you got here. Let me have the answer at the comment section for this second one. Thank you very much. I remain Inshallah David Blessing, popularly known as General David. Like, comments, and subscribe. Help us to share for other people to use. Thank you very much.